J.J. Andrus teaches grade 11 and 12 physics at Winston Churchill High School. On this day, however, J.J. has handed over her Physics 30 class to Chad, a graduate student from the physics department at the U of L.
Okay, so this one here is your signal generator, okay? This one here is an oscilloscope, and this one here is an ammeter.
Chad has brought along electronics and testing equipment from the university. He's designed a series of hands-on experiments that will help explain some principles of physics to J.J.'s students.
Today they're teaching about electromagnetism, so they're teaching Faraday's laws with electromagnetic induction, which is how basically we get electricity in the world around us.
The program that brings university resources and expertise into classrooms is called Bridges to Science.
It allows us to bring students into the high schools or any of the grade schools and talk about science and promote science and have them think about it as a possible future career.
Most of these students will be going on to post-secondary institutions in science-related fields. The Bridges to Science program offers a taste of university instruction and a unique learning opportunity.
I was telling Ken this morning it's all about giving the kids the opportunities that they need to learn. And so if I can bring the experiences and the knowledge from the university to my classroom, then that's just another opportunity that I've created for my students.
JJ has taken the idea of collaboration and the passing down of knowledge one step further. Recently, she and her students visited Park Meadows Elementary School, where they engaged eager and enthusiastic grade 5 students in hands-on experiments dealing with electricity. The event met several of JJ's teaching objectives.
Well, it's a couple of things. Share the knowledge, obviously, that we're getting, so kind of take what we're learning today and pass it on to others. But as far as my classroom goes, I think sometimes the best way to learn is by teaching it. So if my students can go to the younger students and teach the concepts, then I can tell that they've really grasped it.
The high school students agreed this was a great way to test their knowledge about this subject area.
I mean, coming here and teaching these students, you're forced to learn these things in order to teach them properly. And as they ask questions and you answer those questions, you find that, you can recall them easier and understand them even more just by them asking you to explain what the property is.
Yeah, I think that our experience with the university students has definitely helped us learn, and then that we can impart that knowledge on the grade 5s is just like, it's a great feeling that we can spread the knowledge, so it's great.
Grade 5 teacher Deborah Logan says this kind of trickle-down education is an effective way for children to learn.
They're very excited. As soon as I mentioned that these kids were from grade 12, it was like, oh, wow. So they see these older students as mentors, and they look up to them. I think it's wonderful that it can be a collaborative thing, and working together as a team. I think it's very motivating for young people.
As for the grade 5s, learning from older students was all right, but it doesn't replace the real thing.
They're teaching me a lot of stuff, but Mrs. Logan is my normal teacher and she teaches me more stuff.